there, this is Dr. Joe with Mountain Journey. You know, it's interesting when we've got a screwdriver and we're trying to put a screw in a difficult area, or one that's dark or one that's down. Wouldn't it be nice if we could get the tip of the screwdriver to be magnetized? Well, we can do that. It's actually pretty easy. You can use this device, which will magnetize and demagnetize your screwdrivers, your instruments like a forceps and other things. Let me show you how it's done, and let me talk to you a little bit about the process that goes in here at the atomic level that allows this to be magnetized, or allows these instruments to be magnetized. Okay, so we can see that the screwdriver is not magnetic. This forceps is not magnetic. And let's magnetize those to see if we can get this to work. So in and out of the magnetizing port, and then voila, magic. So what's happening here is that the elements, the atoms of any of those metals are basically a microscopic magnet themselves, but they're all in random disarray, so they cancel the forces out. But when you go through the magnetizer, they all line up, and those little forces are known as moments. All the moments are lined up, and this whole thing becomes a magnet and able to pick up iron, cobalt, nickel, things like that. We can magnetize this forceps also, and then we can pick up this screw. Now, many times these instruments are not supposed to be magnetized. That's not desirable. So you can see that at that point these things become demagnetized. And this one's magnetic. Now running it through the demagnetizer. Not magnetic anymore. So this is quite fantastic. Simple, inexpensive, and very useful. I'll put a link to these in the description so you can take a look at them. There are always obviously some bigger industrial strength ones that can demagnetize large amounts of instruments or tools. Even going on an assembly line, they can do this. But for our home use, a device such as this is really helpful. And when we need that screw to stick onto our screwdriver, boy, that does it. Holds it upside down in a downward direction so that it's going to stay in place while we use it. And again, when we're done with that, we can demagnetize it, and it loses its magnetism. So there's just a brief intro on that. It's very useful. Again, there'll be a link. So again, Adventures with Dr. Joe. Please do subscribe. Please click the bell, then you'll get notifications of newer videos. And comment. I love comments, and I'll do my best to answer them quickly. Stay safe.